يا للي الرلالان يدرر يا سهرة يا سهرة Under the mountain wind I walked alone, dust on my shoulders, fire in my bones. Old caravans still call my name, through forgotten villages buried in sand. My mother sang beside the olive tree, her voice still lives inside of me. Night after night the stars would cry over the silence of a wounded sky. Yes, Sahara, carry my soul tonight. Vava, guide me through the ancient light. Yes, Sahara, the desert remembers our pain. Old hearts never die, they become the wind again. Broken radio plays an old Kabyle song. Men drink tea while the night grows long. Stories of exile, stories of rain, stories that return again and again. My hands are old, my eyes are tired, but the sacred fire never retired. I sing for the mountains, the dust, the sea, for the forgotten people before me. Yes, Sahara, carry my soul tonight. Vava, guide me through the ancient light. Yes, Sahara, the desert remembers our pain. Old hearts never die, they become the wind again. Yes, Sahara, yes, Sahara. Abrid ya lelli. Ya Sahara.